God damn it! This shit's getting crazy! Kill the middle, please! Woo! Hello, people of the internet.
Yes,
we are back.
Yes, we are back.
So, today we're going to
Today's
go get some
episode-
fucking. We're gonna go get some fucking clothes. I mean, wait. This is a child video. I forgot. We are going to go get some jolly good clothes for our friend here today. Right. Anyway.
Yes, we are getting clothes for me, and I am going to be called nothing. I just need extra clothes.
Yes. Where are we going? Another Lambo. Plan is in?
There's a store called Let's Be 10.
What?
Okay.
There's a
We will
store
go there.
called Let's Be 10.
Oh wait. Oh no, that's a gay one.
Phoenix.
This right here.
That's a good one.
Okay, it's a good one. Let's stop right here then.
What?
You said good.
No, I said gay.
Oh. Well,
Let's check
you
it out.
should have said good or gay, because now you said good, and now we're gonna check this out.
No.
Acid house cut. It's a bucket. Buttons. It's another bucket. Oh, that's cool. Rita. It's the ting.
Go cut.
Kamehameha.
Kamehameha.
Steampunk inventor. It's nice. There's no. Is that a strainer on his head? Oh, it says strainer. I'm stupid. Okay, I already don't like this place. Let's put that. Right.
Store called Let's Be.
Ah!
I looked up on my phone. There's something called Let's Be 10.
Shut up. We all know this place called Let's Pretend.
Yes. Yeah.
Question is, we drove past it a couple times on this, didn't we? Let's Pretend.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it must be easy to find on the. Oh, I'm being I'm being chested.
Yes, you are.
I'm being chested. I am
Hey.
sorry, citizen. Oh, it's a ramp. Yay!
Oh, that tree messed it up.
Hold on. You see that ramp right there? Did you see it? Did you see
Yeah, I
it?
saw it.
Did you see it? I'm gonna do that ramp. I'm gonna do the ramp real quick. I'm gonna do the ramp. I'm gonna do the ramp.
Do a
I'm gonna do the ramp right now. I'm gonna do the ramp. I'm gonna go do the ramp right now. I'm gonna put on the nozzle. I'm gonna do the ramp.
Oh, you didn't miss. Okay. GTA 5 moments.
Wow!
Oh my.
Wow!
You did it. Oh, but you didn't get rid
That
of the
was
top.
amazing.
You didn't get rid of the top.
We did a backflip. Who cares?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You got so much money.
I think you lost the cops.
Yeah, no. Still red.
It's a nice car right there. Okay. He saw me checking out his car. I was like, nope, get out of here. Ah. What was I doing?
So what
Oh,
we-
snap! I forgot. The thing.
Yeah, we went past.
Was it?
Wait, it's right there.
Ah.
It's that close.
Let's pretend.
Oh, I thought you said Let's Be 10.
Peyton?
No, Let's Be 10.
What?
I don't
That's
eat it.
all I thought you guys were saying. Let's Be 10.
Oops. I'm sorry. See the
Let's
suns?
Be 10. Let's Be 10. Let's Be 10.
Pretend, woman. Pretend.
I can't believe you guys said
Oh.
You're going crazy,
You're welcome.
Trevor.
You are.
You're welcome.
You're gonna break
Wait,
the...
what? It said shortcut. Okay.
Yeah, you're gonna
Oh,
break...
that's cool. They got shortcuts on here.
That's Sweetie.
Yeet.
And you're gonna break the card.
I'm not going to break the trademark. We are going to live. Street folks. Oh. Oops. Extreme sports into what? Why did this car hit me?
It's trying to keep you in.
Do you want to hit me, sir? Or ma'am? Whatever the thing is.
She's running. She's on the road. She's on. Oh, she's right there. She's right there. She's on the tree. Why is she being weird? Why?
What?
What?
Hello.
They're the same two people.
Okay, I'm gonna just go get in the car.
Yeah, go get your car before it disappears.
They're
That's the
fine.
taxi.
They're fine. They like.
Hostage escaped. Why do I have those? Why do I have those? Look at the thing. The thing.
Oh,
The
Brad
thing. Why?
The
I'm out here.
hostage
Let me get out of here.
Leave.
Why do I? Oh, hey. It's a rim jobs right there.
Yeah, okay.
Let's go to the Whoa. Boom. Oh, snap.
What the
Ah!
heck? It turned orange.
We're going this way, sorry. Hey, it's a nice car. Ah!
You're going to die.
Why am I having notoriety?
Oh yeah, if you guys ask, who's the one that was playing with me?
Oh yeah, I'm playing. I'm sorry.
Yeah. And also when I was playing Mortal Kombat, you were the one that was playing with me.
Yes.
And when we were playing Super Mario Bros.
There's a nice car right there. Wow.
Hey, can we put Maybe woman.
Perfect parking.
Yes.
I can park here.
You did a parallel parking. Parallel.
I can park here. I'm good. Close my door because I'm a civilized person. Come on. There we go. Wow. Really nice. Hey, the toy minigun. I want that toy minigun.
Tiny minigun.
Hello, Booze McGee. I would like your finest clothes. Make it spiffy. I don't want a thong, but I want some spot with their very good clothes. Right.
Should I pause it?
Okay! No! We're doing it live! Yeah.
Okay.
Right.
Wait a minute.
What are we looking for here?
I think a head.
A head.
A bird head.
Bird head. Oh,
Yes.
we're gonna go for the logo.
Yes, for
Trademark.
the
But
logo. Yes, we're going from a logo.
oh, this looks cool. It's a bowl. Buttons. I kind of hold on. I kind of want to see these. Oh. This kind of reminds me of no, it kind of reminds me of that one movie. What's it called? Nine. Yeah, that one.
Oh.
No, I think of it.
Ooh, I need some of that for my character.
I need the halo. I want the halo.
Oh wow.
Helmet.
It's
Oh, donkey mask.
a donkey.
Oh,
Bullets.
that's
Oh
perfect.
wait,
That's perfect.
but it looks like an eagle.
Yeah, it
You're
does.
a bird. That makes sense. Okay, never mind.
Wait, a bird?
That makes
Wait. A bird is an eagle.
I know.
An eagle is a bird.
Hey, it looks like a crow.
It does.
Crow. We are a crow now.
Okay, so what are we doing here?
Make it red.
Make it red.
Yeah, make it red. Make that part red.
America.
America.
Okay, red.
Yeah,
Good.
red.
Whoa, this one.
Yeah, that one.
Looks,
That one.
okay.
The eyes white. Oh wait, is that the beak? Yes, that's the beak.
Yes, it's the beak.
Let's make it black. Let's make that.
Black?
Yeah,
Oh,
sure. Black.
okay.
You can't even see it that much. It looks like it has something.
Okay.
Let's make the eyes white.
You said eyes white. Okay.
Okay.
Very nice.
Yeah, very nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're looking for a party animal thingy first, next.
I think so.
All right.
It's Elvis.
Yeah, Elvis. I made a Elvis before.
Really?
Yes.
Oh wow.
And
He
so-
likes it.
I had the sunglasses and everything. Zombie
What
shirt.
is this?
It's a zombie shirt.
Wow.
It's
A
a
bra.
Zan.
You need a bra.
No, I don't need a bra. That's nasty.
Oh wait, I said no phones, huh? Oh, I'm
Huh?
stupid. I said no phones.
No phone? What?
Never mind. What the? Ransom collector rock pack.
It's a parachute. I mean, not a parachute.
Anime kitty.
Evil kitty.
Astro pack. Okay, never mind. Let's see.
Remember my
Level
game
40.
today?
Yeah.
Evil Mr. Kitty.
Board shorts. Huh. No. Captain's pants. Okay. If we pick these, we can make you look like
Predator.
like a military ready bird.
No.
No? Okay.
No, I want to defend all those people.
Do Predator.
That I don't. I want to defend all those people that are helpless with those aliens.
Okay.
Just dying by aliens. That's
What
my-
the fuck is that shot?
I'm supposed to be.
Right.
ill.
Zombie pants. Okay, never mind. Shoes! We need shoes. You need claws. That's what you need.
I need claws on my foot.
Yes, for your crowness.
Not
I mean-
a crow.
oh,
no, those
oh,
ain't
the
good.
werewolf feet.
Yeah,
Never
those are
mind.
werewolf.
Well, snap.
What the heck, man?
Any boxers? Man? Oh!
Oh!
No! No! Thongs! Okay. We're gonna get you some trademark things.
What?
Boom! Very
Oh,
nice,
wow.
very nice, very nice.
It's amazing.
Why isn't your skin red?
I don't know.
We shall make it red.
Never! Okay, hold on.
Uh,
Piercings. We don't need piercings,
No,
right?
we don't,
Okay,
we
wrists. We don't need anything on the wrist, do we?
No.
no.
Wait. They might have a thingy. They might have things. They might have things
Hands. Those are hands.
Claws.
like gloves or something. There. Yeah. I don't know that. Steel port fighter gloves. Yes, we'll make them red.
Okay, let's make them red. This is red.
Yes.
Yes.
Done deal.
Wait, doesn't the
Isn't there more? Hold on. Steel port hero gloves. Hey, there
yeah,
we
those
go.
are the one we need.
Yes.
Red and black.
Red and black. Okay.
It's
We'll
like
do-
saying Aaron Black, but
Okay. We're good. Nice. Okay.
okay, so
Outfits.
we need yeah, we need. Oh, it's on. I think it's on suits.
Oh, we need something like this.
I thought we need like a suit here too.
You wanna be a sexy cowgirl?
No!
Nasty.
What about cheerleader?
Trailblazing. Oh wow, I remember that. Hey, I remember this stuff from that third one. And this one too. Azimuth. That's pretty cool.
Uh-huh.
Stag. Oh god.
Yeah,
The knight.
that's his girlfriend.
Hey, samurai! Shimira ho! Oh wow.
Zombie.
Panda. Oh my goodness. Oh! That's cool.
That is really cool.
Very cool. Oh, that's cool. Oh wow. Wow.
It's like a
Thank you very much. Right seat, modern soldier. Oh, it's cool. I like it. You look like one of those guys. Like one of those guys out on the street.
I look like one of those guys on Dumb and Dumber 2.
It is Plastic Man.
What
Oh wait,
the
no,
heck?
it says generic hero. We gotta think of something. It is Pink Man, the man of many qualities, such as turning things pink. One touch of one touch of a stuffed animal, boom, he turns it pink. One touch of a log of wood, he turns it pink. My goodness.
I know.
One touch of a woman, he turns it pink.
Oh
Can he
my
take
God.
me, Pete?
Wow, that's cool.
We don't need that though.
Yeah, we don't need.
Can he take me, Pete?
No.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah.
What? Look what happened to
Boba
the space
Fett.
prison. Look what happened to the
It's Boba
space.
Fett.
I know. Look what happened to the space princess. Turn pink.
Oh my God, it's pink. Okay, so suits.
Yes,
Bloody cornerless, no. Blow up doll, no.
No.
Bones, no. 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 Hey.
What's that supposed to be?
I don't know.
That looks cool. Oh, no way.
Arnold.
Ew.
Aiden. What the heck?
What is this? That's weird.
I know.
Gangsters and it's elongated, man. Oh my gosh. Hot dog.
It turns everything into hot dogs.
Karate Cobra. Knight in armor. Modern superhero. Mocap.
I'm a wizard.
Evil wizard.
Evil wizard.
Oh. Oh, you're bald.
Why am I bald?
Oh, there we go.
Wait.
We'll wait.
Yeah, wait.
Okay.
I'm
we
trying
got-
to defend those from the aliens.
Ooh, that looks pretty dope.
Yeah.
What if you put that as your? Nah. Yeah. No. Yeah. I don't know.
Huh.
We'll keep going.
What the heck is this?
Steel port guard. There we go. It's the one.
Wait.
Oh, there we go. That's the one.
That has
Hold on.
no.
That's the one.
Yeah, this is the one with a belt. We need one with a belt.
Okay. We're going with one with the belt then.
That one needs a belt.
Hold on. There's something weird with these ones.
That doesn't have a belt.
Look at the back. Look at the back. It looks like more sophisticated.
Yeah, it looks. Yeah, it does.
Look, that one has a six-pack and muscles. This one doesn't. I don't know. What should we do?
I like the one with the belt.
One with the belt.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna go with the one with the belt. So this is obviously gonna be red. Yeah, there we go. That looks nice.
Yes.
So I'm guessing the black part is gonna be
Black.
black. I mean, white part gonna be black, or green part gonna be black. Whatever. Words.
Yes.
Knowledge.
words. Okay.
We'll have this white because the eyes are white.
But it looks more like a gold.
Closest thing to white you'll ever get.
Yeah.
Yes.
Now.
Are you a bird of
We need-
purple?
We are a bird of prey.
Yes. Mine.
Can you
The
bet?
name. The name. from the beak of death.
Mine. Wait. Let's see.
I didn't do anything, Dad.
Can I see real quick?
No.
Why?
We gotta find out what the hell happened.
we need.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go back in. Shall we get the super secret weapon? I'm gonna get the super secret weapon.
Yes.
Where's the thing?
It's right there,
This one,
right
this
next.
one, this.
Yes. Okay. Go in
Aha!
the hideout.
This.
This is called the.
The hideout.
No, this is my cave. This is my cave.
This is the bird cave.
This the bird nest.
The nest.
The bat bird nest.
Wait, who is that next to you?
These are all the people that made the game.
Wait, who's sitting on a chair?
Aha!
Who's sitting on a chair?
Ah.
Take that tiny pistol.
Yes.
Who's sitting on the chair?
We have our ultimate secret weapon.
It's so tiny. It's so tiny.
It's not like it's going to do any damage to me.
Just shut up. Whoa!
It did damage.
Wait, what the heck? Who is that?
Hello, you taking a shit?
You mean who?
I'm sorry. Could we shoot these things?
I don't know.
Well,
You guys must be old now.
Probably, possibly. When was this game made? 2016?
I don't know. Nice.
I like how there's fireworks.
And now back to our regular. What is this? What is this?
Anyway.
It's a shark eating a cheeseburger.
No, it ain't. That's a bear.
It's
With
a
a
bear
cactus.
eating a cheeseburger then.
No, that's a bear with a cactus.
Uh,
Look, you can see close.
oh, I cut it.
Look, look, see? The bear eating a cactus.
Wow. Oh, it's another one.
What? It's magic.
Alright, we out of here. Let's go.
My name.
This is the return of Nightbird! Here to kill any. Oh,
No, don't kill the innocent.
I am
You
sorry.
just killed an innocent person.
he smuggled drugs from Mexico.
I did not steal any drugs from Mexico.
He smuggled.
What the heck?
You, sir! Good job, mate.
Why are you talking
How you
like
do?
that?
You citizen! I'm not a citizen!
You broke the car!
It is not broken.
Look how ruined it
Oh
is.
my gosh, I done did that. Could I still drive it?
Yeah, you can.
You can still drive.
Why is the thing like up in there? Look at the wing! Look at the wing! Why?
The wing.
He is wing. The
Look at
car
the
has wings.
wing! No.
Oh my gosh!
The spoiler I meant.
Oh. Why is the spoiler like that?
I am confused.
Don't break the car! You came for war, now you have to kill all the you have to kill all the aliens.
Evil.
And stop killing innocent people!
Evil.
Let me see.
Evil. Oh. There's people defying against my honor. Evil.
I don't think you're a good guy.
Right. So, where's the car?
It's right there.
Yeah.
And for some reason you can still drive.
Evil. Oh. Evil. Oh. Evil. There's people shooting against me. I must defend.
It's more like you're a super villain.
Evil. I am a superhero. These people are. Remember, this is a simulation. These people could all be hacked. They're all dead people. They're all evils. They're all evil people.
That guy was a good guy.
No, this is a simulation. These people are evil.
That guy was fighting on your side.
Oh. He died a hero's death.
Why? I don't think you're a superhero.
Hold on, let me try something. Oh.
We're still falling.
Hey, where am I going? Oh.
Your car is broken.
Hello, car. I'm sorry. Oh. We're gonna stop right here for real quick. Oh, my tire seems to have fallen off. It did. Oh my goodness. This person does not like my attitude for some reason. Do you see what I mean? Evil!
You destroyed the car!
No! No, not the bird mobile.
That's the bat bird. I need the night bird mobile.
The night mobile.
The night mobile. No, the night bird mobile.
Oh,
Stop it! You're destroying everything.
little.
You need to go to the real world.
Oh, The alien weapon has ran out of charge for now. It will quickly recharge something. Well, we're just gonna have to get to business. Ain't that right, fellas?
Why can't you do it right? Why can't you be a superhero right?
I don't know. I don't know how to superhero.
Okay, let me be superhero.
No, we will do it live. Whoa, there's a lot of money on the floor.
You don't need money. You're freaking like Bruce Wayne. You have tons of money. Look.
So I don't have superpowers?
No.
Oh, I'm just really rich?
No. You don't know you have superpowers yet.
No, I don't have superpowers.
No, you do.
I don't.
Yes,
See?
you do.
Whoa, look at that. Whoa.
You don't know if you. We don't
I
know
don't have
if you do.
super speed or super jumping or something like that. I don't
We
have
don't know.
telekinesis.
We don't.
I don't have. Oh wait.
We don't know if you have superpowers or not.
I don't have the power of flight. I can't read through people's minds. I can't pick this guy up with mind bullets and kill him. I can do this though.
Wait, whose channel is this?
We're sponsoring.
Oh, you're sponsoring.
We're doing it live.
You're sponsoring my channel.
Yes.
Does that?
Whoa!
They were aliens the whole time.
Kill it, fire! Bye-bye.
We have to protect the good people of these aliens. Where's the card? Oh, there it is.
Oh wow! Hello. How are you doing, Kai?
What the heck? There's a door at the back.
Wow, there's a door. It's crazy. You
The
fucking
aliens!
shooting at me, mate.
Oh my god, you missed so bad.
I didn't mean to do that. Well, this is a predicament. Yeah! Bye-bye. Whoa, they're taking a car.
They got abducted by aliens, even though they're aliens.
But,
Hey,
what is that? Oh, I was gonna say, what is that spider explosion?
hey, man. Do you know what bugs are scared
Ah!
to go? Hey, do you know what bugs are scared to go
Yay.
on?
Whoa!
You got abducted by aliens.
Whoa! Crazy.
Hey, do you know what bugs are scared of? Do you know when bugs have wait. Hey,
Oh.
hey. Do you know when
Hey, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. Hey, I'm gonna die. Ah! Shit! I don't know. Oh. Landed it like a nice person.
Hey.
Yeah.
Do you know when bugs have phones, they're scared to go on their Twitter account?
Oh, that's funny. You're funny, man.
I use pencils instead of
Yes, this simulation is evil. Evil.
Do you know you're not in the real world?
Evil.
You're not in the real world.
Evil wizards. Whoa. Whoa. This is an amazing shotgun.
This is just a simulation to train for you to actually fight aliens in the world. The real world.
Whoa.
Oh my gosh!
I am dying.
You have to do the part with the alien.
This is getting crazy, man. This is getting crazy. I don't like it. Fuck. What do I do? This one.
Tiger.
Yeah. Die! This is getting crazy!
Hey, wait, hijack that dude! Hijack!
Did. Oh, yeah, yes, right.
Oh!
We're out. We got this. We're done.
You're going to escape the simulation.
Yes. Ah! Oh, dear Lord.
I believe I can touch the sky. Flap my I
I can't flap my
Face
wings.
plant.
failed.
What's that?
Car.
What's that?
That's a car. That's a car, Gerald.
I can dream here.
Hey, that's a Phoenix.
Phoenix. Mark II. We're about to do this.
Yeah, Phoenix Mark II.
My gosh, I'm bald. Do you see that? Look at, look at, look at, look at, look at, look at, look at. Open the door.
It's
Look
like-
at. I am
Why are you bald? Wait, why am
Why
I
are
bald?
you bald?
No, yeah, this is my game and you're sponsoring it.
Yeah.
This is my channel.
This fucker was trying to kill me, Ale.
Why are they slow-mo?
Oh, shame. Take that card, take
I'm
that
gonna
card,
take
take
that
the
card.
card.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
Take
yeah,
the
yeah.
card.
Whoa.
You can teleport.
I search. Hey, the thing. Never mind.
Oh,
Never mind.
no, yeah, never
I
mind.
audition.
Screw this. Oh, never mind. Screw
You
that.
ass. Okay, you know what? That means war. Get in the thing, man. Tokyo Drift.
Oh my gosh, you were driving sideways. Who does that?
This is going crazy, man.
I know.
It's going crazy.
Dude,
It's
who
going
mails like a lot of
it's
money?
It's going diagonal.
Hey, who
It's
mails?
going diagonal.
Hey, who mails someone? Who mails someone like $18 million?
Get in the thing. Get in the thing, please. Oh my gosh. Fine.
Oh,
Yes, we're up, we're up, we're up. Baby, we're gone. Hello. Oh. Oh, it says increase elevation, decrease elevation. Ah, okay. Yes. We're good. Okay. So. We're out. We're gone. We're gone, we're going away. We're just floating out of here.
we're going home, go bed.
Go home, go bed.
Okay, that's not.
That was actually really easy to get away from them. What happened? Whoa!
Wait,
That was really easy to get away from them. Is that a tank?
is that a
Is that a tank? Oh no, it's not a tank. Hello.
Hello, citizen. Citizen.
Okay, we're
I
good.
don't think there's a tank until you reach the. Oh.
Technical difficulties. I'm sorry.
Yes.
We're still we're still doing things.
We're still doing a thing.
We are still trying to live.
That should be your car, Phoenix. That's
Yes.
not car.
We are done. We are live.
That
Is that
should
the?
be
Is
your
that
car.
the? Is that the night? bicycle? Is that the night bicycle?
Yes.
It's the night.
You just destroyed the night bicycle.
Not a bicycle.
The night. It's the night plane. It's
the night
plane.
bike.
Yeah, the night bike.
Oh my good lord.
That's the
We're
night.
gonna die.
That's the night.
We're
That's
gonna-
the night plane. They still don't are plane.
We're gonna die. No,
I'm-
it's the bird wing.
Yeah, it's the bird wing. Yes, the
We're
bird
gonna
wing.
die.
More like you,
I mean, yeah, I'm gonna die.
because
Ah.
mostly you just got in my mind.
Whoa. Oh.
Oh, you just got ran
You
over.
ran over, did me. That is not good.
That is not.
Whoa. Why does he keep shooting? I'm only trying to keep... What was that?
What? What?
Oh, you're still following me.
wait! There's a what you call it right there.
Ah!
Come on.
He's shooting missiles! He's shooting missiles.
Oh, God!
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die. I'm gonna die. I'm for real
Look,
gonna
look,
die.
look,
I'm for real
look.
gonna die. I'm for real gonna die. Holy shizen. I'm
Don't
for real
shoot
gonna
it.
die.
Just take the bike.
I'm for real gonna die, Phoenix.
Yeah, you
I'm
go.
for real gonna die.
Take the bike. You're gonna die, man.
Oh no.
Oh, that
going
just
to die.
ruined this.
Get a thing, get a thing. We're gonna go. We're gonna go.
Going to.
Eisenwolf, we're gonna go. Oh snap, we're dead. We are dead. We are so
Oh, no,
dead.
no, you're not.
Oh, we're good. We're gone. We're gone out of here, boys. We're
Look,
gone.
I have a sidekick with me. I need my sidekick.
You are mean. You call me a sidekick.
No, not you.
Ah!
He said he needed one.
Yeah, I need a sidekick.
We're off. We're done.
We need a sidekick.
Well, this is a predicament.
I need to call my.
I need another Eisenwolf.
Wait, can I see my controller?
Done.
Can I see the controller?
We're good. We're good. There's no. Woo! We're good. They have not been following us. We are fine. We are
Oh,
good.
there's my hair.
We are good.
There's my hair.
Oh, there's no hair.
Yeah, there is. I have the same color as my skin.
Yeah. We're alive. We're well. Hell
Can
yeah.
I see the controls real quick?
Okay. Yeah. Likes it. I likes it a lot. Better view from light angle.
Oh,
Yes.
there's police right there.
Yes, we have done it.
Can I see the controls now?
Ah! Oh. Okay. Wow. That was a complete that bad thing that we done did. We're gonna have to go and see. We'll see who in the next video, cause god dang, that was a lot of work.
Yes.
Ah! It took a long time for me to get
And
ready.
I hope you guys enjoy this. Like and subscribe. We'll see you.
That's so cringy.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
We'll just see you in.
Joel says bye. See you later. Good day.